How's it going, you guys? This is Aaron Forrest Scott. Real quick, I just wanted to shoot this video to show you guys an update of a trade that we've been watching and taking within our Winning Circle group. We're looking at Bitcoin right now. I know quite a few of you guys are interested in learning how to invest in Bitcoin. Us as Forex traders, we're not only able to invest in Bitcoin, but we can also trade Bitcoin on the foreign exchange market. So whether the value goes up or down, we still have the potential of making profits based off of the fluctuation of price. But what you're looking at right now is our perfect entry trading system, our PET system. It is a great tool to use when trying to find entries and exit in the market, any market thereof, whether it's Forex, cryptocurrencies, indices, the stock market, commodities, or futures. You can utilize this system on any time frame in any market. Now, what we're looking at down here, this gray box shows us our support level. It automatically gave us our support level. It also gave us 4 confirmations in this one candle or this 1 hour that we were going to get a reverse. It was going down. We got a reversal signal here. We also got our super beast arrow here, and then our enter arrow here. So with these confirmations lining up on support, we knew that we had a good chance that we can take a trade based off of the support level and anticipating the price to go up. And that's exactly what happened. So after these confirmations on support, we had a brief move to the upside. We had a pullback. The pullback came back down to our support level. And knowing that if this support level was going to hold, if this reversal signal or this buy signal was still standing, that price was going to go much higher than what it previously went. So this was the previous high. It came back down to our support level, and we knew that if this signal, if these signals were to hold, that this would go higher than the previous high. So what you could have done was put a buy stop right around the previous high and just waited for the market to activate itself. It started to come back up. We actually had another enter arrow here. Notice it activated your trade, put you directly in the profit, and it's going up even as we speak. It's well over, or it's about 800 pips or 8,000 points in a matter of 3 to 4 days trading Bitcoin. So you can utilize this system not only in the Forex market 5 days a week, 24 hours a day. You can also utilize this system to trade cryptocurrencies on the weekend. I know quite a few traders, especially if they're first getting started, they start to love the idea of trading. They love the journey of trading. But when the foreign exchange market closes on Friday nights, they find themselves not able to trade. But if you are aware of the cryptocurrency market, you can still trade on the weekend. And this tool, the perfect entry trading system, will not only help you with your trading, but it will help you lessen your losses, because with the system, it's going to tell you whether you're on the right side of the trade. Notice how the colors are red when we were going in a downtrend. Notice that the colors turned blue when it went back into an uptrend. So if you're looking for a buy, you want to make sure that on the perfect entry trading system, you're above our money line, which is this yellow EMA, and that your candles are blue. If it is, then you're in a good chance that you can get in for a buy trade and make some profits. But if you are under the yellow line or our money line, and you notice that the candles are red, notice based off of this ultimate signal here, you had your ultimate signal here, you had your yellow arrow here, you had your red enter arrow here. There's that first pullback back up to the original resistance. You could have utilized this signal. If it didn't make a previous high, you can start putting in your sell stop orders at the previous low, which is somewhere near this area. Notice the market activated your trade and it put you directly into profit. This could have been a 800 pip trade as well. So the system is very valuable. If you want access to the system, just get in contact with me. If you're watching this on YouTube, you can click on the link below. It's going to take you to our perfect entry trading system on Telegram. You can see more results. You can see some of the tools in action, and you can get in contact with us through the Telegram, or you can get in contact with me through Facebook. If you already see my handle on Facebook, you can contact me through Messenger on Facebook. So however you need to get in contact with me or anybody that's in the Winning Circle group, you can sign up for our team, get access to an amazing educational platform that's going to teach you how to trade Forex, cryptocurrencies, stocks, commodities, futures, and indices. But not only that, it'll also give you the option of where you can build a substantial business from home and get paid weekly residual income. So not only will you get access to the amazing platform, you'll also get access to our Winning Circle group. We have our own live trainings. We send out our own signals, and you will get access to our exclusive perfect entry trading system. Hopefully you're making the best of this crisis. We're going through some trying times right now in our economy. Our economy is going through a reset. Hopefully you're taking this time to learn a skill set that will set you up for financial freedom in the near future. I hope you guys have a wonderful, wonderful weekend, a wonderful, wonderful rest of your 2020. I'll see you guys inside of the Winner Circle chat.